Welcome inside. We are using our Matterport footage to take you through the interior of this gorgeous listing. You'll see there's a nice open floor plan and natural light spilling in from all of the windows. We love this fireplace and mantle for a gorgeous focal point in the living room, and you'll see that every time you approach a window, you're greeted with pristine, tranquil views of your 20 acres. Next, we'll visit the office with a closet and additional lighting, perfect for focusing on whatever project you might be working on. We'll go up the hallway. So you'll see the master suite here, bedroom upstairs, and another bathroom. Gorgeous glass shower in there. All right, we'll take you all the way around and back over here to look at the master suite. We love the sink and mirror right here. Imagine the convenience of getting ready for bed right there. Here's our spacious walk-in closet with plenty of shelving. The finest shoe collection could fit right in here. Now we'll see the restroom. So we love the custom tile in here on this entire walk-in shower with built-in shelving and a nice little lighting at the top. Heading back into the hallway, we'll go down through the dining room, the hallway, and wanted to take a moment to show you this patio entrance right here. It's a nice little seating area over there to the right also, with hardwoods throughout. And this kitchen has very sturdy cabinetries, custom cabinetry installed by a family friend when they built the home. Gorgeous countertops. Here's one more restroom over here. And we have the laundries located upstairs for convenience. So we'll head on downstairs. Fully finished. Here is another little room for a studio, a home office, a home gym. Imagine the possibilities. We've got closets down here. Like we said, ample storage throughout the entire home. Here is another ensuite bedroom with a little stall shower there at the end. Egress window and closets down here, built-in shelving. And we'll show you this great storage room. Store all your hobby gear down here, or this could even be the making of a world-class wine storage area. A wine cellar full of bottles from all of Walla Walla's finest wineries. And that finishes up the tour. If you have any additional questions, you can call Danielle Beebe.